change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop it...
Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I am in a hurry to get a few things done before I have to leave to pick up my son from school. My daughter is at home. She is sick. She has the chicken pox and she's not feeling very well. Fortunately, the rash is not too bad, but I feel for her because, you know, she has the watery eyes and she's just not too happy. Now, Vera and I had lunch and now it is time for me, like I said, to get a few things done. I really need to clean my fridge and I think I can get it done before I have to leave. I've got 45 minutes, so that should be more than enough time. Time's up, but the fridge is clean, so now we're going to pick up Victor. And later this afternoon I will continue with cleaning the bathroom. So I'm back. I'm listening to the Dutch government. They are debating the new measures to take against the virus. And it is evening now, it's after dinner. I wanted to clean the bathroom in the afternoon, but my daughter, she was too upset and she needed attention. So, which of course is very understandable when you are 3 years old and you are sick, you want your mommy. But now my husband is done with his work for the day and he can help out, which gives me the opportunity to clean here.
Gesloten. Nou, voorzitter, ik zet nu...
change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Good morning everyone, it's the next day. We've had a brutal night. My daughter is still sick and she kept waking up. Thankfully my husband, even though it wasn't his night to get up with the kids, he took the first half of the night, so I did have some sleep. And then the second half of the night I did get up whenever Vera would wake up. And at 6 o'clock she started throwing up and then the day began. So it was interesting. But now Victor is in school and my daughter isn't throwing up anymore. She seems to feel a little bit better. And I'm going to clean it downstairs. I am collecting everything that I need from this under the sink cabinet. I'm using floor cleaner to mop the floor. This officially is a bathroom cleaner, but I use it mostly for the kitchen. I'm going to use it to wipe the countertops and the table. Then here I have a glass cleaner. I'm going to use it for the big mirror that we have in the living room here. The mirror is always covered in fingerprints and it's really hard to clean. I don't know why. I always wondered if maybe there was a layer of old grease or something, but no matter how many times I clean it, it keeps being a real challenge. So today I'm going to try a new cloth on the mirror. A wonderdoek. It's a miracle cloth. It says it's suitable for glass, mirrors and all surfaces. No traces, super water absorbance. It can absorb its own weight up to 4 times. It's great for polishing and you can wash it at a high temperature. The brand is Bivera and they come in a 3-pack. Gray, blue and pink. So I'm going to try it on the mirror today and then we will see how miraculous it is. Then for the sink I will use this abrasive detergents and of course always gloves.
Nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I'm going to clean the mirror now with the miracle cloth and I only added a little bit of water. And I expect to need a little bit of glass cleaner. I never managed to clean a mirror without glass cleaner before, but of course I'm going to give it a try, so we'll see how far this gets me. see, all the stains came off using only water, no detergent, so I am really impressed with this cloth. Who knew it could be so easy, right? So I used first the wet part of the cloth and then I polished it with the dry part. And it was done in no time. So I'm going to clean the remaining parts of the mirror because I didn't clean the upper and lower parts. They are not stained, but they're a bit dusty. So I will clean those two and then the mirror is completely clean and nice again.
Circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel hard.